Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Dogecoin on MetaMask. While MetaMask is a fantastic wallet for many cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin isn't natively on the Ethereum mainnet. To see your Dogecoin in MetaMask, we'll use a wrapped version, typically on a compatible network like Binance Smart Chain. This step-by-step guide will walk you through adding the necessary network and then the specific token, ensuring you can manage your Dogecoin within your MetaMask wallet with ease. First, let's add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. Open MetaMask and click on the Network Selection dropdown, usually at the top. Choose Add Network and then Custom Networks. Here, you'll input the specific details for the Binance Smart Chain mainnet, including the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Once all the information is entered correctly, click Save to add the network and switch to it. Now that you're on the Binance Smart Chain network, you'll need to acquire Wrapped Dogecoin, or WDoge. This is the version of Dogecoin compatible with MetaMask on BSC. You can typically get WDoge by swapping other tokens, like BNB or BUST, on a decentralized exchange such as PancakeSwap. Remember to have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover transaction fees. Another option is to bridge your native Dogecoin from its original blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain. Finally, to see your WDoge balance, you need to add it as a custom token in MetaMask. Make sure your wallet is still connected to the Binance Smart Chain network. Scroll down in your MetaMask interface and click on Import Tokens. You will then enter the official contract address for Wrapped Dogecoin into the Token Contract Address field. The token symbol and decimals should automatically appear. Confirm by clicking Add Custom Token, and your WDoge balance will now be visible in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.